Welcome to my channel, DIY Craft Hub. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these lovely snowflakes and angels out of the humble toilet roll. Let's get going. So to make the angels, we're going to need 2 toilet rolls, and these are 10 centimeters long. We want to cut them into 6 pieces, so that is 1.6 centimeters. I'm just going to flatten that down to make it easier to cut. I've already marked out where to cut. So we're cutting this into 6. So I've cut both rolls and I have 12 pieces. We're going to take 3 of our pieces and just glue them together at the top there, like that. Just a little blob of glue from a glue gun. Like so. So we're going to need 3 more. I'm going to pinch those and fold them in half. Again, 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to glue these together. On top of each other like this. I'm going to add a little bit of glue in between each one as well, just to keep them together. I love making things out of toilet rolls. There's something lovely about making something out of waste, out of rubbish. Takes me back to my childhood. Okay, so that is now going to go on the top of here. So we can shush these up a little bit, open them out a little bit. It's a lovely one to do with children. Really nice and easy. So you have that part. I'm going to take another one and we're going to cut this one in half. Maybe just a little over half. Roll it back round on itself and glue it down. And that is going to be her head. Like so. Really simple, really cute. She needs a little star. I'm going to find my stars. I found my tin of stars. I'm going to go for this one here, little red spotty one. Just pop that there. Oh, that's really cute. little toilet roll angel, perfect craft for children. Now let's have a go at a snowflake. So to start with, I'm going to just use 6. Make one end pointy on each one. And I'm going to glue the more rounded ends together. Join the 2 halves. That is the start of our snowflake. And now I'm going to cut 3 more into 6 to give us enough pieces to decorate this one. Now we've got a lovely pile of them to work with. I must admit, the quality of your loo rolls will affect the quality of your snowflakes and angels. These are not the best quality loo rolls, but I have to work with what I've got. I don't want to waste them, so see, you can see how mine are unraveling. Just stick that down. Okay, so we're going to take 6 of these and fold them in half. Like so. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so these are going inside here like this. So let's glue those in. I've got Christmas songs running through my head. I'm in a jolly old place right now with my loo rolls. I'm being quiet because I'm feeling peaceful today. So I'll go ahead and stick the next 3 in. So this is how it's looking so far. Now we're going to do that again where we fold them in half, but this time we're going to do it with 12 of them. So I'll go ahead and fold all of those. So I folded these in half and I'm going to glue 2 of them together. Just some glue in the middle there. Pop one inside the other. That. And these are going to go in that space there. So a little bit of glue on each side. Put that in that space. Such a simple craft. You don't have to use a glue gun either. You can always use PVA glue or child safe glue. Make these with your kiddie winks. There's something lovely about making things like this with your children. There's a sense of pride, particularly if you do hang them up and display them. It's really good for them to get involved. Get their creative juices flowing. So I'll stick the rest on and I'll come back to you when I've done those. This is how it's looking at the moment, and I think it needs one final flourish. So I have cut my last roll. I don't know if I said earlier, but this snowflake takes 5 toilet rolls, and these are going to go in here. And that just gives it that really snowflakey feeling. So you can spray paint these, make them any colour you like. Add glitter to them. Embellish them. Make a great base to do more fancy things to. And as I said before, if you've got better quality toilet rolls, they come out a bit better. These are not the best, but it still looks really pretty. So I'll continue to go around with those and show you how it looks at the end. So there we have the finished snowflake and the finished angel. You could actually, I might add a starter there. Hold on one moment, I'll find my stars again. So I'm going to go for a green spotty one this time. Let's just see how it looks before I glue it down. Yes, sweet. So there we are. Toilet roll snowflake and a toilet roll angel. You just need to add a string and you can hang it on your tree or put them in a garland. You can put some PVA glue around the edge and sprinkle glitter on them, or you can spray paint them gold, jazz them up a bit. That's the basic pattern for those. Really simple, really easy, and great fun to do with your family. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know in the comments what you thought, and I shall be back with more soon. Have a great Christmas, everyone.